Hi, boys and girls. This is 3.11. We are going to still be talking about perimeter. We're just going to look at another way of calculating it. So last lesson, we learned that perimeter is the distance around the outside of an object, about the rim of an object. So I have a rectangle up here. It has 4 sides. And last time you learned that the perimeter is when you take twice the length. So I have the length highlighted in yellow. There's 2 lengths. And you add it with twice the width. I have the width in pink. There's 2 of them. So in this case, my length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 centimeters. So then I know down here is 6 centimeters. 2 times 6, because it's 2 groups of 6. My width is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 centimeters. So I would add 2 times 5, right? Again, twice the length and twice the width. I have 4 sides and I'm adding them all together. Well, 2 times 6 is 12 plus 2 times 5, which is 10. So my perimeter is 22 centimeters. I can literally count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. The distance all the way around. Twice the length plus twice the width. Or we can look at it this way. I know my width is 5 centimeters and my length is 6 centimeters. I could add these 2 together. The width plus the length. But I also have another width and a length highlighted in yellow. So I can take the total of my length and my width and multiply that total by 2. So I have 5 plus 6, which is 11. And I'm going to multiply that by 2. So the perimeter would be 2 times 11, which is 22 centimeters. So in this case, we did twice the width and twice the length and added them together. Here we can do the length plus the width and then multiply that by 2. I have it color-coded here to help you. We have the length and the width added together, and we're multiplying it by 2 because we have another length and width here. Whereas up here, we have the width multiplied by 2 because there's 2 pink, and we have the length multiplied by 2 because there's 2 yellow. It's up to you. You can choose how you'd rather do it. Let's look at Origo. So here they have another rectangular array. They're telling us the width is 24 and the length is 37. So we have an option. We can do twice the amount of the length, so 2 times 37, and add it with 2 times 24, because there would be 24 width here and a 24 width here, and add those totals. Or we can do 24 plus 37. So if I were to highlight that here with my pen, I don't know why it's not working. All right, my pen's not working there. Let's try this side. Can take 24 plus 37 and then multiply that by 2, since you also have a 24 plus 37 over here. So it's up to you which strategy you would like to use. Here's a soccer field, it looks like, and they want to know the perimeter of the field. So the rim, the outside of the field. You can do 2 times 45, which is twice the length, or 2 times 25, which is twice the width. Perimeter is twice the length plus twice the width. Or you could follow another way of doing 45 plus 25 and multiplying that by 2. So here we have 45 plus 25, which is your length and your width added together, and multiply that by 2, since you have 2 lengths and 2 widths. Up to you. In your student journal today on page 112 and 113, you're going to be practicing both strategies. On page 112, it starts with our original strategy of finding the perimeter, doing twice the length and twice the width, and adding those totals together. On page 113, they want you to add the length and the width, and then multiply that by 2. So you're practicing both of those strategies. When it comes to number 3 on page 113, you can choose which strategy you would like to do. Either twice the length and twice the width, or add the width and the length together first and then multiply that by 2. All right. Good luck, boys and girls. Remember, this is the perimeter around the outside. The area is when we use an array to figure out what is on the inside. All right. Good luck.